Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to test a simple but very useful capacitor discharge tool using just a resistor and an LED. In this circuit, we connect a resistor in series with an LED. Here the resistor is connected to the negative leg of the LED. The resistor value is 1 kiloohm. We are using a 5mm orange LED. To prevent electric shock, the LED legs are insulated using heat shrink tubing.
Now, the interesting question is, does it matter if the resistor is connected to the positive side or the negative side of the LED? Electrically, the answer is no. Because the resistor and LED are in series, the same current flows through both components. So placing the resistor before or after the LED makes almost no practical difference in this circuit. The resistor simply limits the discharge current and protects the LED from excessive current.
Now let's talk about the capacitor discharge formulas. V sub 0 is the initial capacitor voltage. R is the resistance in ohms. C is the capacitance in farads. T is time in seconds.
Capacitor stored energy formula. This formula shows that higher voltage and larger capacitance mean more stored energy. RC time constant formula. The larger the capacitor or resistor value, the longer the discharge time. Now we test capacitors with different capacitance values, from 1 microfarad all the way up to 4,700 microfarads. As soon as the capacitor is connected, the LED lights up while the capacitor discharges. Larger capacitors keep the LED illuminated for a longer time. That happens because larger capacitors store more electrical energy.
One of the biggest advantages of this method is safe capacitor discharge. The resistor slows down the discharge current and protects both the capacitor and the user. This is much safer than directly short-circuiting the capacitor. The worst way to discharge a capacitor is by short-circuiting its terminals. That can create a large spark, loud noise, and very high current. Large capacitors can even damage tools, wires, or their own internal structure. Repeated short circuits reduce capacitor lifespan and may increase internal resistance. In high voltage capacitors, direct discharge can also be dangerous for the user.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this experiment, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video.